There's breaking news just coming in from Mumbai. A wall has collapsed in Chembur's Bharatnagar area. 4 to 5 houses have been damaged. 16 people have been rescued. Few are feared trapped. Heavy late-night rainfall in Mumbai perhaps has led to the cause of this wall collapse. That's what we're reporting from Mumbai. We'll keep updating you. Just take a look at the heavy rainfall that Mumbai has witnessed, and a wall now has collapsed in Chembur's Bharatnagar area. Rescue operations underway. We'll keep updating the story.